Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gio and welcome to my channel. Today, we have Adam. Adam's my friend and
I'll be recording.
Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make your headlights go from this ugly, disgusting, foggy mess into a sparkling, beautiful, diamond clear headlight. Okay, today I have Turtle Wax's headlight restoration kit and I am gonna be transforming these headlights 100%. So this is how you do it. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is just grabbing a mitt with soapy water and just washing this headlight lens. Just wanna get it nice and clean, make sure that there's nothing on top, just so that when our polish goes on, it can go on correctly. Now after that, I'm just gonna grab some water and rinse it off. Cool. Then I have this microfiber cloth. Ooh, got this microfiber cloth and I'm just gonna dry off the lens, make sure that the surface is prepped for the polish. Then if you have an E46 like me, I just removed this little rubber trim piece that goes on top of the headlight, just so I can kind of polish the entire thing. All right guys, so now what I'm gonna be doing is grabbing some masking tape and just going over the area where the body meets the headlight, just so that I don't ruin any of the paint when I'm sanding the headlight lens. So as you guys can see, I've masked this area around the headlight and now we're good to start with the polishing steps. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna grab our lens clarifying compound, put it onto a cotton cloth, and then rub that all over the headlight. So at first while doing this lens, I didn't think I noticed a difference, but when comparing it already to the other side, you can see the left side, which I haven't done, is still a lot foggier. And this is looking better, and we're not even halfway done. So guys, the next step is grabbing this #1 sanding pad, as well as our spray lubricant. I'm gonna spray down, and we're gonna do some wet sanding on the headlight in back and forth motions. Back and forth in a horizontal pattern. So I'm gonna be sanding just like this for a minute, and then we're gonna switch sides. So after sanding for a minute on side #1, I'm gonna spray the lens down one more time, flip it over to side #2, and now I'm gonna be going in a vertical motion for another minute. Now I'm gonna be using #3, which is this blue side, same type of thing, and this time I'm gonna be going in the horizontal direction again. Finally guys, we are now on the purple and final side of the sanding. Just gonna lubricate the lens and do one more minute. So now I'm just gonna dry off the lens, take off all of this stuff. I'm just gonna go back with the clarifying solution and just rub this all over the lens. Okay guys, so we went ahead and did both lenses. Now what I'm gonna do is the final steps. We're gonna grab our lens base coat wipe and we're just gonna wipe it over both lenses while wearing a plastic glove to protect us. And then we're gonna follow it up with the lens sealing wipe, and that will protect the lenses from becoming yellow in the future. So now the lens is restored, we're just gonna take off all of the masking tape we originally put on and we should be good to go.